BI systems like Qlik, Power BI, and Tableau are useful for governments who want to generate insight from their data and create rich visualizations. Many organizations are using FME to integrate data from various sources and send it to BI software for further analysis. So for example, the city of Lear wanted to integrate lots of their data sets and send the result to Qlik for analysis and rich visualizations. So they built an FME workflow to do this, and they used the FME automations interface to set it up to run on a schedule. So this means their Qlik visualizations are always up to date. We have a lot of business intelligence resources available if you want to learn more about this. Again, you can find these on our website and by clicking the links in these slides when we send out the webinar.